animal that goes tweet, 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 tweet. Do you know what animal that is? Yeah, it's a bird. I hear with my little ears an animal that goes moo, moo. Do you know what animal that is? It's a cow, yes. I hear with my little ears an animal that says ribbit, 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 ribbit. Do you know what animal that is? It's a frog. I hear with my little ears an animal that says do you know what animal that is? It's a pig. I hear with my little ears an animal that says woof, 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 woof. Do you know what animal that is? It's a dog. I hear with my little ears an animal that says meow, meow, meow. Do you know that animal? It's a cat. Here's my favorite. I hear with my little ears an animal that says hee-haw, hee-haw. Do you know what animal that is? It's a donkey. He makes such a funny noise. Oh, it's been fun playing with you. Let's play again sometime, okay? Bye-bye.